Good morning, welcome to my channel. This is a DT project for Tsunami Rose. It's a beautiful journal. It's made out of a, I've gone brain dead, Golden Library. Oops, my journaling cards are falling out. Now we've got to find where they come from. But anyway, it's a beautiful journal. It truly, truly is. The ephemera from the Tsunami Rose kit is amazing. I've put a vintage library card. I'm just going to make sure this is centered. There you go. So it's a vintage library card. Here's some with dates. The due date. These are the old Australian ones. I actually don't even know what they look like these days. But anyway, I really love this journal. It's Baby Christmas, but I actually called the journal Faith. And I love it. It's turned out a lot better than I thought. This is my first golden book. I've put different papers in it. In here, we've got a pocket. It's a corner tuck, journaling cards that are sewn around, and they're just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love the ephemera that come with this kit. But I also used ephemera from other stuff from Tsunami Rose that I've got a lot of. Here's a little tuck there. I used some flower layouts with some of the vintage stuff that it comes with words. So I really love how it turned out. And you see a lot of thread. If you don't like thread, well, you can always throw it out. But isn't it gorgeous? So you've got a lot of writing space, so you can write in it. This is some of the ephemera that I've included in the journal. It's just gorgeous. And I love the fact that the Golden Library actually complements this kit. I've got a flip out tag, a journaling card. This is just some crazy, you use circles and you fold them in, then you fold them back out. It's just something I did years ago. I'm not going to undo it because it's like a little booklet. You get a journaling card there. Or a tag, I should say. It's a Tim Holtz one, actually. But isn't that kit amazing? I printed front to back. There's so many pages. So this is a tag. And you can write on the back of that. But it's also a tuck spot. So I've just added a couple of pieces of the ephemera. But it's so cute. I love making things like this. There's a postcard. It's somewhere around here. But I can't tell you where. I know it's in one of the states here. But isn't it gorgeous? This one is Silent Night. So you've got a lot of journaling space. Here's another tuck spot. I've included a card. It's just cute. It really is. You can keep adding and adding and adding, and you would never still get complete. Some little tucks there. Again, using the flowers and all the little bits and pieces that come with the kit. So I just did basically a cluster over my side pocket. More journaling space. Here's so gorgeous. Some music paper. There's a tuck spot there. So you just can keep adding and adding, adding. And I've left you room to actually move. Getting some layouts. The little golden books are just gorgeous to work with. Look, I said this is the first one for me. A first one. There's a lot of ephemera there. So you can spread it out however you will. It's just gorgeous, kids. How cute. Some vintage paper. A bit of lace. Again, like I said, I left you some journaling space. A little music page. This is from a flow journal. But it's just gorgeous. And the storyline is all in there still. It just mightn't be in the order that it come in. So if you open up your journal from the center, where is it? From the center, you can read the book. So you can start from there, and then it starts going to there. And then so forth, and you get to the back. So basically, front takes you to there, and then it'll take you to the back parts. So I tried to keep it simple. I used a completely different method to what I've seen on YouTube with various channels that show Golden Library books. I just thought, oh, I think I'm going to do this my way. And look, a lot of times we can. There's a little dictionary booklet. It's an old vintage one. There's some journaling cards. They've all been layered and sewn around, and they're just gorgeous. And then again, I did, I kept the pockets really generous. I do believe you need generous pockets for this type of journal. And you got your other tuck there with a beautiful flower cluster and Santa's workshop. Those pages are just amazing. They really, truly are. Again, using cardstock for my little, what do you call them? Just to add interest to the journal. And here I've got a journaling card full of tucks. So you got a journaling card in there. You got these from the kit. You get lots in that kit. And then you just tuck away. So that's the journaling card. Oh, well, it's actually a tag. Sorry. Bits and pieces from the journal that you can, in case you want to use them. It's just gorgeous. Isn't it beautiful? It is a beautiful kit to work with. It is a really amazing kit. I could have done a lot more with the these pages, but I decided not to. I wanted to leave them in their natural state, which I did. Some journaling cards. There's some journaling cards here. Isn't it gorgeous? It's just gorgeous. I love it. Did they fall out of there? They might have, because I know I had a couple of journaling cards in there. So they might have come out of there. I've got to remember where the rest come out of. But it is just lovely to work with. And like I said, I've left you room to move and to add your own things. I do believe in doing that when I make a journal. But it's just beautiful. The pink is absolutely divine. Just some other stuff that you can play with. These are the journaling cards that come. But I didn't sew them. I didn't do anything to them. I left, like I said, I left a little bit of room for you to do your own stuff, because we all work differently, and if you're buying a journal, you'd like to think you can do what you want with it. You might want to add photos, you might want to add all sorts of things. So I decided to leave it differently. But isn't it gorgeous? Here's some journaling cards. You've got a generous pocket. Another tuck. Just doing a bit of a cluster there. Oh, isn't he just gorgeous? Gorgeous Santa. And this journal lies flat. This can be used as a December daily. It can be used as your Christmas Day journal, where you attach your own things. Here's another one of my tags, again with a cluster, again where you're able to tuck into it. It's held by a beautiful little clip. Here's another tuck spot. Again, I didn't do much to these because, like I said, I'm allowing you room to move. They have been inked and they're ready to go for the purchaser. Look, I did a fair bit of work to it, but I needed to leave something for the purchaser to do. So, it's so cute. Here's another tuck. Again, that corner pocket's turned into a tuck. It's just so gorgeous. It really is. So tuck there. And these are the journaling cards I sewn. It's a Tim Holtz. This is a postcard. Not 100%, but it could be a Tsunami Rose one. I normally try and keep a DT as a Tsunami Rose. If I'm doing a DT for her, it's normally her stuff I would use. So that goes in there. So there's a lot of ephemera in here. Like I said, you can basically get this and do what you like with it, because you've been allowed room to move. Isn't she beautiful? And the centre page. And you'll notice that my stitch is hidden. I don't really like seeing the sewing hanging out, so I normally do a reverse. Here's another tuck, again with quite a few journaling cards. The journaling cards are just amazing that come with the ephemera pack. They really, truly are just amazing. And there's a tuck there again. Yeah, I don't know about you, but I love doing these little clusters. And Tsunami Rose, she has got lots on how to play with clusters. You can come up with your own ideas. You can layer. And making these corner pockets, even though I used Christmas scrapbooking paper, I was able to use her ephemera to create my own cluster, and the same here. It's just cute. Here's another little tuck here. It's just so gorgeous, these tags that I made up. So you can use your kit, basically, your pages that are already collaged on, you can use them as making up tags. Here's another corner pocket. That goes in there. And there. So like I said, lots of journaling cards. So like I said, you can do what you like with this journal. It's just cute. Again, I've just put them in there. You can decide what you want to do with them if you're interested in this journal. Here's just one of Daisy's older kits. I love this. This is from one of her older kits, and I just left it as a little booklet. These are old postcards, I believe, but I just left this as a postcard, and I love it. And then there's an old vintage card, little tag. This folds out, the map there. I I won't pull it out. But it's held by these cute clips that you get from Kazaz, I think. No, Kaiser Craft, sorry. And the kit also comes with 3 folders. Like I said, I've left room for growth. I've got to figure out where these come from. I've actually left a lot of room for growth. So, like I said, whoever gets this journal can play to their heart's content. It's just gorgeous. It really, really is. I don't know which pocket it come out of. But like I said, it's a fun journal to make. I know these come out of a pocket because I wouldn't, I would tuck things in a pocket. I'd say it's from this one. So, like I said, it's a very generous tuck spots in here. So you can keep layering in there, and these pockets have got room, lots of room. The journal lays flat, which is really important when you're making journals. You need them to lie flat. Again, like I said, I've left all this, the rest of it, for the journaler to do what she pleased with this journal. But I'm really proud of it, my first golden book. And it was so much fun to do. And it's, look, I'm not really into making Christmas journals, but I did have this little golden book sitting there, and I thought, why not? Why not? And it's proven to be quite a gorgeous journal. It's got just lots and lots to it. But the closure is ribbon, and I used one of those study things that you punch in. Oh, I can't remember the names of them. And I normally flop these about. I'll bring the closure, the ties to the front, and I tie it off. It's just gorgeous. Thanks, Daisy, for having me on your design team. I really like making and using your kits. And I find that when I use the kits, I can use them in any journal. And as you can see, it's so evenly done. And it's a chunky little monkey. And the ribbon does not take away from the picture. It does not take away from the journal itself. But thank you for watching, and I'm going to share this in a couple of groups where I can't share links, and then I'll share this in, I'll link the kits that I used. But thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel. Anyone that's interested in this journal, please message me and I'll get back to you. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye for now.